It was at this moment that she knew she f***ed up.
Yo, that could have go up in your foot and end up like Bob Marley them, you know.
Alright.
You very emotional.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. Come make time on but pressure bust pipe.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to another vloggy vlog. I think I've been away for like 2 weeks now. By the time this video goes up, I think I would have been away for 2 weeks. If you hear noise in the background, it's because I live roadside. Just ignore that. Before we even get into this video, a series of things happened. What happened? The Fontana thing, Father's Day, I got sick. It was just, this vlog is all over the place, as with all my vlogs. But anyways, before we even get into it, for Father's Day I was thinking, you know, since I'm going to be getting some colognes, some perfumes from Dossier, I was like, you know what, I need to pick out a scent that I think my dad would like, because why not? The first one was a really good scent, and I figured that if that one was so good and I was impressed, I might as well try to get another one. So of course, the scent of the day is from Dossier, and here's what the box looks like. If you watched my last video, then you would know. So when you open up the box, of course it comes with the little flyer with all the details about the cologne, and the one that I picked out is inspired by Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous, and the name of this one is Oriental Sage. This is what it looks like. So if you don't know what Dossier is, it's basically a new perfume brand that creates scents from luxury classics, like as I said earlier, from Tom Ford, YSL, Chanel, Gucci, Versace. Yeah, if you want to purchase one of these perfumes, don't worry, it is budget friendly because the cost literally starts from $29.99. Literally, you get something similar to the luxury classics at a fraction of the cost. Like, if that is not a deal to you, if that's not a deal to you, honey, I don't know what is, but it is a deal to me. It also comes with a sample size in the box. I lost the sample that was in this box, so I can't show it to you, but if you watch my last Get Ready With Me, then you'll see it in there. They also do free returns on these colognes, so that's what the sample is for. If you test it and you don't like it, then you can send it back, but within a month. So don't bother feel like 30 days pass and you send it back. No, within a month. Yeah, so if you are interested in getting a scent from Dossier, don't forget to use my code AndImShelby10 for money off your order. So without further ado, let's hop right into this vlog. Hi guys. So I am here, and guess what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna wax these legs because this will look good. You see, this is what quarantine, and I don't like me, I'm gonna wear anyways, so this is the result of that. But this is my first time I'm going to be waxing my legs. She's saying hi guys, but she don't want to show her face. Yes. So yeah, after, I mean, I'm gonna film it going. Alright, hi, let's get into it. People, I did not catch the first one, you know, it never that hot enough, but I don't know what I was expecting. I can't take pain. My pain tolerance is on the floor.
It was at this moment that she knew she f***ed up.
I think I'm being a little bit dramatic. It doesn't hurt that bad, but it just stings. Yeah. But oh my gosh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at the difference. Yuck. She's doing the back of my leg, guys. I'm a little stressed. I don't know why it hurt more than the front. fast.
Yes, it was.
Was it even 10 minutes? Look at my legs. Watch smooth skin. I even got my toes, but we can't show them my toes because they need to be done right now. So yeah, look at that. So make sure you come to Rip It JA and get your waxes. I'm gonna put their ads on the screen and in the description box, all that stuff. I only did a half leg because I'm kind of afraid to so, you know, I already told you all the history of that. So yeah, excuse me, stop it. So yeah, I just finished getting my wax and now I'm gonna go home. So yeah, make sure I hear a lot of excitement outside and I don't know what it's for, but I'm gonna leave now. So catch y'all later. Bye. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. That was corny as fuck. Today I have no idea what's even going to be in this vlog, but I have not posted anything with sense recently. Well, no, I'm not gonna say I haven't posted anything with sense. I haven't recorded anything with sense recently, and maybe this I got sense. So what should I say? What have you guys not seen from me? So I did my hair probably like a week ago, and now today I need to go get some stuff and hopefully I can get a new nose ring because I am a little bit tired of this one. I want a gold one, but if I'm not find a gold one that is this small, then I'm not gonna take it because I don't want no big old nose ring in my nose. So honestly, I'm really just driving up and down today. See y'all later. Ooh, update, I didn't get my nose ring. Nobody had the one that I wanted. They had like black, and the guy was like, do you want the gold bar with the black balls? What the fuck do I look like putting in a gold ring with black balls at the end? No, I'd rather just keep the silver. So yeah, now we're at Wendy's. Good morning. So I don't know where I left off yesterday. I think I was telling you guys that I went to Wendy's and I never showed you guys the food because Buddy was really hungry, so I'm just gonna eat same time, and then we went somewhere else to eat. I think that happened. No, I'm lying. We went to run errands yesterday after 8. Yeah. So after that, we actually come back home sleep because I was like, I didn't really feel kind of sick, to be honest. Like I was having a headache and my nose just did that run and whatever. So yeah, but now I'm up and I feel a bit better, and I am pulling out these locks. They have been in my head for maybe 2 weeks. I wish I could go longer, but one, I'm not really tired of them, but my head really has scratched me and some of them are dropped out. Yeah, so yeah, you can run. So how I did it, I did the crochet method. So basically I did plait it and then I crocheted the hair in and then I wrapped it. So I'm taking it out, just pull it out, pull out the plait. And then when you get to the top, you literally just slide it up. And I think I'm going to reuse this. Don't know yet. Even though me stare them ever reuse things. So yeah, I'm honestly just going to pull the rest out off camera still because I don't know if nobody else I want to use the bathroom. So I'll come back when I'm finished. So I have to go and what am I to do? I go get a hair product. And I'm sorry if I sound like this. Like I'm just kind of annoyed because I don't know if it's like the fan. I know like the AC that's making my nose act up. Like I don't really have sinus issues, but it's kind of very annoyed because my nose is very stuffy and it keeps running, and it is really irritating. It's extremely irritating. And then on top of it, them people up on the road can't drive like I can. Oh my god. Watch this. Let me make the light red again. Where so much traffic come from? Traffic. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. It really needs to be washed. Can you believe how long my hair is right now? Like, don't know if I want to cut it. Don't know if I want to let it grow. Kind of want to cut it. Yeah, kind of want to cut it. I can't deal with the long hair thing at all, to be honest. Like, I don't have the patience for comb it, and I didn't like my bag get fade, and on my inside with my little designs and stuff. I felt like I'd be a peach. Now I don't, which is why I've just been under these wigs, because like I cannot find a good barber that can cut my hair. So yeah. We needed to run an errand, right? We were told to get gas, and on the way getting gas we decided to want food. So we reached an offer tree, KFC lock, and now we're trying to find back the place and we can't.
Right now, we didn't even think Google was gonna help me here.
I mean, I know what we are gonna do.
Right now, I'm going to a supermarket or
Listen,
I want to get a place.
I don't even, this
don't look safe. Like, it just feel like somebody will come to me.
This is the ghetto.
No, this is the ghetto.
This is truly,
literally, this is the ghetto.
This is the ghetto.
Alright, so we're going to do Google Maps.
We're trying.
We must can't find Ramesh Entertainment. Come on now.
We can't make them know so we lost.
But it was a straight road though. It was a straight road, and then I didn't see the turn, and now I'm lost. And I don't know. I don't like this. So Ramesh, don't put him on this one. Oh God.
It didn't know.
Ah! Wait. Wait, that has to be on Google.
Oh my God.
Ramesh Entertainment. Hold on.
Jeez.
Hold on. No, but that's not why.
No,
guys. You know I said I carry a lock? We're good. What the fuck are we? What is this? What are you doing? This is not where we are.
They still with them, Mama.
Oh, I know Bay Farm Road. Alright.
Alright.
I'm not scared, man. Bad man.
That period. Anyway. Yeah.
Me are the first guy to chat out. Yeah. You know that song?
Yeah.
That's what I listen to in my spare time.
Different time. Watch that one.
No, I'm good. I'm gonna have to wait.
Period.
Yeah. Ah!
You didn't see him?
He was moving fast.
Yeah, man. So them taxi man just.
And then turn right onto Bay Farm.
What the fuck you mean?
Head northwest on Bay Farm Road toward Cosmos Crescent.
Alright, so we can just
turn right onto Dahlia Road.
Alright. We're getting somewhere. We're like 1 minute away. So I guess I was
Okay.
I think it was the next turn though.
Okay.
Turn right onto Dahlia Road and continue straight past.
Why is it so
Turn
dark?
right onto where? Can't see. I wish road this, you know? Right now.
Girl, if we end up in a gun
Look off
shoot
this
out.
Look off this a flashlight. Yes, because can't make you kill it then, so we don't know.
Outside, you know what I mean? We're going on next man territory.
So if we can.
Why am I gonna turn off? Ah! Alright, so it's this way. I'm gonna try to figure out if I
What is
straight.
that road? I
think it's this.
Yeah. Look.
Ah!
No, this is Campbell Boulevard.
In 300 meters, turn
Okay, so we're here. We're here.
Woo!
So where the fuck did we drive?
Not
Why
here.
is it so far? Ah!
Okay.
I'm home. Yo,
Alright.
call these niggas. Let me call these niggas.
Come here.
Baby, I'm outside. Open the gate. But I know it. But I know. What if somebody was stalking us and these bitches lost?
Hello folks, it's a new day and this is what my hair is looking like. It is disgusting. I absolutely hate it and I'm going to cut it off. I do not care. Oh, I have an intro to finish. My laptop is giving issues. Like my laptop is doing the most, and that's the main reason why I have not been doing intros, or like I haven't been advertising that I'm taking orders, because I still do take orders on the low. I just don't advertise it because it's like I don't want a huge amount of orders and then I take them and then I can't do the work, because then I figure refund people. I'm not like refund people, so I'd rather get your work done. But I'm gonna try to get my laptop sorted out. I'm getting an SSD and all that wonderful stuff. So yeah. Good morning. So today I have a picture to take for this company that I should have taken a long time ago, but I did wear the outfit and I never got to take the pictures in it, and I really looked nice that day, but it's okay. I have to wear the wig with that outfit now. It's not really gonna give the same look that I was going for, but it's okay. I just want to get the picture out of the way, and I don't mind having a new picture up, to be honest. I gotta try like look for some inspo on Pinterest because I want a new pose. So
No.
anyways, so remember how I was telling you guys that I have to take a picture in an outfit, and I wore it before but I never got a picture. So this is the outfit. It's giving basketball Stephanie Curry. No, that wasn't funny. Yeah, I'm kind of actually not really in a mood, but it's whatever. The breeze is messing around. Like if I fuck up here and everything, I'm just in a mood. But we gonna get a picture today. Even if I post and delete, I'ma post. Is what it is. Yeah. So if I don't have a video of taking the pics, then I'll insert the pics or insert how they came out. This is the set for today. That's it. Bye. Woo! Me and my sneaky dank.
Yo, that could have go up in your foot and end up like Bob Marley them, you know.
Alright. We're doing a lot. Anyways, y'all, I think I got some cute ones. I'm ready now. You ready? Anyways, that's it, y'all. Goodbye. So I am back home. I've been home for a good while. Like after I came back from taking pictures, then I literally came home. I was supposed to go somewhere else, but they canceled. And then I went to the ATM. I couldn't bother like record all of that because it was raining and me I try to focus. Can't crash the people in my car. I made a smoothie just now. I keep Starbucks cups because I like putting my smoothies in them, so it's a solid 6 out of 10 for me. One, I don't know, I think I put too much either Lasco or peanut butter. I'm starting to think it's the peanut butter, and it's really thick and the mango is stringy. I think I needed more fruits in it because it's like it's like I know that I'm having a protein shake and I want it to taste more, you know, appealing. I want it to taste good, so I'll be more motivated to drink them. God, this now motivate me. So yeah, anyways, mega wall of 5, then mega wall of fresh, and then we go see if I can go do this video. So I even forgot to tell you guys, but I have this thing to do at Fontana today at 12. It is now 11:30. That's when they told me I should be here. So basically I'm going to be trying out the new Mario Badescu skincare products. I've never tried any of them before. I think I've only tried like the facial thingy before. So I'm going to be getting some other products. The security guard is looking at me and I don't know why. Anyways, yes, I'm going to be getting some other products. My face is kind of pretty much fine now, but I mean, I don't mind having more products. So basically, a girl in there called Shelby is going to be helping me and another girl pick out the products that are best for our skin, I guess. So let's go. So guys, I am now in Fontana. You'll see me. These are the different products that they have. Honestly, I never even knew that Mario Badescu had so many products. I literally only know about the facial spray, and I also never even knew that they had more than one different facial spray. Like, wanna see all of this? This is crazy. And apparently I'm just realizing that this is focus now? Focus. Yeah, apparently this is very popular. We gonna see if I'm gonna get some. But yeah. So I'm here with Shelby and Bree.
We're at Fontana.
Oh wow. Yeah. Period.
Oh, so, yeah. Get a free promo for that way.
No. Jesus, no free promo. You can't pay me.
Hey guys, welcome to Fontana / Mario Badescu Live. I am here at Shelby, and this is Shelby, and this is Bree.
We are finished right now. I'm hungry, I want to sit. No, my face is really glowing for real, you know? Like wow, do you all see this? Yeah, I love to see it. Anyways guys, that is the end of that. That is a wrap. Wow, that was a fail. I was trying to show y'all guys a peace sign. So guys, I am home. Yeah, the face is still glowing, but I am going to be making a very rash decision. So guys, I am currently at Burger King. Today is Saturday. I look like a dyke. Anyways, today is Saturday, June 19th, I think. Anyways, tomorrow's Father's Day. I am going home to surprise him today, but of course I had to stop and get breakfast first because yeah, I just can't bother. So I'm gonna get a pancake platter because I just love their syrup and their pancakes. I don't know what, it's crack. They put crack in it. I may not understand. I really don't understand. I don't understand it.
I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. Don't understand. I don't understand.
Hi, can I have a pancake platter? Bacon. Hot chocolate. So guys, I'm currently in the bus now. So I am currently in Julius. They had a, what do you call it? I don't know what you call it. But basically, I am waiting on the next bus to come, which is at 3:50. It's probably like 3:30 now or something. I'm kind of irritated because this journey is taking too long. Like, this journey is taking much longer than it's supposed to. So I'm just waiting, to be honest. And this is new, like, I guess they built this cafe like recently because I've never seen it before. So, yep. So guys, I stopped at somewhere called Buccaneers for food. So that's what we're doing now. Ooh, this is it. So guys, I am currently in Portland. As I said, I'm going to surprise my dad, so I'm currently waiting on a taxi to take me into the town, and then one next taxi got me out. Because I don't feel like taking a chartered taxi. I just kind of want one to show up, to be honest. I have not been here in so long, like I have never seen this plaza before. Another time, like I think when I'm going back home, I'll like record what the plaza looks like, but it is so big. I cannot imagine Portland having something like this. That is crazy. Anyways, there's Drake playing in the background and I don't want to get copyrighted, so see you when I surprise my dad. So let me tell you people, I was on my way home and we buck each other on the road. Hello!
Hello.
Happy early Father's Day.
Thank you very much.
So now I am going home. I am tired. I thank you. Goodbye. Surprise accomplished. Gloria, relax, no man. Relax, 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 relax. Can't do a video in peace. This is her way of telling me she wants me to rub her. Alright, no. Just relax, relax. So yeah guys, today is Father's Day. Today is June the 20th and I have my dad's little gift in here, which is the Dossier perfume in effing fabulous, as you already saw from the title. And what title? From the intro. Yeah, from the intro. So yeah, whenever he wakes up, or I don't know if he's up right now, we'll figure it out. Let me flip this back up. Not that he doesn't know about it, I just don't wear it around him. Anyways, so yeah, don't know if I'm going to film him. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna film me giving it to him. I don't really like filming every single thing, but I'm sure he'll like it. Hope so. Yeah, see you then.